All right, our next portion for hyperbolas, sorry, we're not in English class, is the writing equations part. So make sure to flip to the part that says writing equations, hyperbolas, and parabolas. If I am given a graph, life is easy. There's the center. So center is 8, 3. Okay. And then I count how far up and down to the vertices. So since it is opening up and down, I know y is going to come first. And then x, and it's going to be equal to 1. My center, remember this is k, so minus 3 and then minus 8. So with my y, it is a distance of 2. 2 squared is 4. And for my distance here, it is 3. So 3 squared is 9. So my final answer is over 4 and over 9 equals 1. Okay. Now, just like I talked about with the parabolas, where I have to physically draw a picture, the same is true with hyperbolas. I don't know what is going on today, but anyway. Negative 10 12's up here. Negative 10 8 is down here. These are my vertices. That means that it must be opening up and down since they're stacked on top of each other. So that just kind of helps me mentally be like, all right, cool. My co-vertices are at negative 2, 2 and negative 18, 2. So notice that would make a rectangle like I need. So to find the center, midpoint, what do? You add them together and divide by 2. So you can definitely do midpoint. If you're given vertices and co-vertices, you just take what's matching, and that's your center. So in this case, negative 10, 2. Which is your midpoints, if you were doing midpoints. Because if you're like, hey, wait, you said midpoint. That's right. Okay. Since it's going up and down, that means I start with y. And my x value would be a plus 10. My y would be a minus 2. So if I am at negative 10, positive 2, what is my distance up and down there? Well, my distance up and down there would be 10, and 10 squared is 100. What is my distance left and right? That's 8 each way. 8 squared is 64. All right, and we're going to call 21 and 22 the advanced problems, so go to the next slide to see if you can figure out what to do with those. I will give you a hint before getting there, though. It does require using a squared plus b squared equals c squared.